I have to keep this coconut, then it is okay. Already make it and that is it. So after keeping this, it is better to keep some little water and you have to add it. Kani होता ना पानी डाला चाहिए to wash it and it is not coming, it is stuck in. So you have to pour water, then you have to வந்து இது பிடிச்சிடுதுன்னா தண்ணி ஊற்றணும். पकड़ता था इसके लिए पानी डालेगा और वाटर नहीं तो फिर to pour water, then there also is oil, special oil and after dashing the mixie, like this and that, then it for washing. Nice karnagalangu kurma is over, then don't put a dal over here, parpada under it. Dal, don't put it. So 2 minutes you have to keep it and it is ready. So it all come to our food. Today we are having the food chamagalanga and appadam also. Okay, more salt is there, now it is compensated. கொஞ்சம் உப்பு கூட இருக்குது சரியாயிட்டு நமக்கு छोटा ஜாஸ்தி இருக்குது बराबर हो गया super tasty it is there nicely super item. It will be boiled, then you have to